Let's swim in the sea. Let's catch a fish. Let's eat an ice cream. Let's look for shells. Let's make a sandcastle. Let's take a photo. We are playing. We are running. They are looking for shells. They are catching a fish. They are taking photos. They are swimming in the sea. What are they doing? They are looking for shells. What are you doing? I am catching a fish. What are they doing? They are swimming. What are you doing? I'm taking a photo.